Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to know your level in Monopoly Go. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your level in Monopoly Go. Once you open the app, you'll land on the main screen, and the first thing to look for is a number displayed at the top left corner. That value is your net worth. And in this game, your net worth is the equivalent of your level. If you want a deeper look, tap the three lines in the top right corner, open your profile, and you'll see your current net worth along with the rewards you unlock as you continue progressing. Now head back to the home screen and try building or upgrading something. Each upgrade boosts your net worth, which means you're leveling up while unlocking new bonuses along the way. Just remember, everything you do, from building to collecting rewards, contributes to increasing your net worth, helping you move up faster and explore more features on the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.